Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, this bus goes to the city center and it will arrive soon.
Thank you. How long does it take?
It usually takes about 30 minutes depending on the traffic.
Is the bus usually crowded?
Yes, sometimes it is crowded, especially during busy hours.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I take this bus every day to go to work.
Hello, does this bus go to the main market?
Yes, this bus goes to the main market and it stops there.
How much is the fare?
The fare is 10 and you can pay when you enter.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Please take your seat and keep your ticket safe.
Is there a seat available?
Yes, there are some empty seats at the back of the bus.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, this seat is free, and you can sit here comfortably.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, and I hope you have a comfortable journey.
Do you travel on this bus often?
Yes, I travel on this bus almost every day for work.
Is it always this busy?
Yes, it is usually busy in the morning and evening.
Excuse me, do you know where to get off?
Yes, I will tell you when we reach the main market stop.
Thank you. I am new here.
That is okay. I will help you so you do not miss your stop.
How many stops are left?
There are about 5 stops left before your destination.
Excuse me, can you stop at the next station?
Yes, I will stop at the next station, so please be ready.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, and please be careful when you get down.
Is this the main market?
Yes, this is the main market, and you can get off here.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a safe and nice day as well.
Excuse me, where is the market entrance?
The entrance is just ahead, and you can walk there easily.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, and I am happy to help you.
Excuse me, is this the right bus for the hospital?
No, this bus does not go to the hospital. You need another one.
Which bus should I take?
You should take bus number 5, and it stops near the hospital.
Where can I find that bus?
You can find it at the next bus stop across the road.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, and I hope you find your way easily.
Excuse me, is this the final stop?
Yes, this is the final stop, and everyone must get off.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, and have a safe journey.
Excuse me, where is the station?
The station is just ahead, and you can walk there easily.
How long does it take to walk?
It takes about 5 minutes to walk from here.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it is easy to find because there are clear signs.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live near this area, so I know it well.
Do you use this bus often?
Yes, I use this bus almost every day.
Is it always on time?
Sometimes it is late, but usually it arrives on time.
Do you wait long?
No, I usually do not wait very long for the bus.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, it is comfortable when it is not crowded.
Excuse me, I think I missed my stop.
Do not worry, you can get off at the next stop and go back.
Can I return easily?
Yes, you can take another bus in the opposite direction.
Is it safe to travel at night?
Yes, it is safe, but you should always be careful.
Can I open the window?
Yes, you can open the window if you feel hot.
Is there space here?
Yes, there is space. You can stand here comfortably.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, you can sit here and enjoy the view outside.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling because it is interesting.
Do you feel tired while traveling?
Sometimes I feel tired, but I try to relax.
Do you listen to music while traveling?
Yes, I listen to music because it makes travel enjoyable.
Do you read during travel?
Yes, I sometimes read books during long journeys.